Welcome, my fellow tax professionals. In this video, we're going to be discussing the appellate rights of a taxpayer after the IRS rejects an offer in compromise application. I'm your host, Attorney Robert Schaller, and the author of the course. The taxpayer enjoys appellate rights differently depending on how the offer in compromise application was made. And there's really two choices. The application could have been made as part of a due process collection hearing, or it could have been made in a non-collection due process hearing. The taxpayer's appellate rights differ depending on which one of those they are. So it's important that you learn the differences and study this course carefully. Enjoy. Let us explore a taxpayer's appellate rights after an adverse IRS determination. We will discuss appellate rights relating to an offer in compromise, first in the context of a collection due process hearing request, and second in a non-collection due process hearing request. The IRS will conduct a collection due process hearing upon the taxpayer's timely request. Taxpayers may seek a collection due process hearing to challenge the IRS's notice of deficiency issued pursuant to 26 U.S.C. Section 6212. The IRS Office of Appeals conducts the collection due process hearing. As part of the hearing process, the taxpayer may raise challenges to the appropriateness of collection actions and may make offers of collection alternatives, including an offer in compromise. A taxpayer has the right to appeal the IRS Office of Appeals adverse determination rejecting the offer to compromise the taxpayer's income tax liability. The taxpayer has the right to appeal the rejection to the United States Tax Court. Now let's discuss a taxpayer's appellate rights after an adverse determination in the context of a non-collection due process hearing offer in compromise request. This type of request is also known as a standalone request for an offer in compromise. Unlike the CDP hearing, which is conducted by the IRS Office of Appeals, the standalone offer in compromise is reviewed by the IRS Collections Group. If an adverse determination is proposed by the Collections Group, an independent administrative review of the proposed rejection is automatically conducted. An adverse ruling by the Collections Group is appealed to the IRS Office of Appeals. An adverse ruling by the Office of Appeals is appealed to the United States Tax Court. Thank you for listening to this video, and please spread the word to your fellow tax professionals. The National Offer in Compromise Academy is available to help professionals expand their practice into the profitable area of offer in compromise. The music for this video was provided by www.bensound.com. You can contact the Academy from its contact page at www.oicacademy.com. Enjoy the online course and keep on learning.